Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. This is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money and be a better rideshare driver. And what else is more important than a breaking news story about a CEO who got fired after his Uber ride? Yes, this is an absolutely crazy and real story. And I just want to preface this video by saying one of the biggest concerns I get from my friends and family who I talk about my experience as a rideshare driver is that, you know, it's not always, or they always ask, is it dangerous? And they don't want to drive or sometimes even ride with Uber because it's too dangerous. Or they think it's creepy, or they just feel uncomfortable with it. I get it. I get it. You don't want to sit in a car with a stranger for 30 minutes. I get it. Sometimes it's awkward. Sometimes it is a little too awkward. If I could change it, I would. That's why you got the radio. You know, keep the radio on silent, on quiet mode. Anyways, this is a huge breaking news story. I'm gonna get into the whole story, but before I do, I wanted to tell you guys about a new program. If you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you do at least 100 rides per month, you are able to actually qualify for a free tablet with Play OCTOPUS if you use our code. If you use our code, you will get your tablet free and fast tracked to you, and you can start making $100 extra per month, and your passengers can play games on it. And I think it's very fitting because Play OCTOPUS actually alleviates a lot of awkward situations and a lot of situations that could have been worse. The tablet does have a little camera on it. It isn't recording, for all I know. But just the little camera there, I've noticed that when I get into cars that have a tablet in there with the camera, I know that, oh, I could be being watched right now, so I'm gonna be on my best behavior. Not that I'm ever on my bad behavior, but you see what I'm saying. And also, you know, if you have a little dash cam on your car and the Play OCTOPUS tablet, it just makes you seem more legit and provides like a safer experience for yourself, because when people see technology in a car, the last thing they want to do is be recorded on camera. Anyways, download Play OCTOPUS if you want to start making $100 extra per month and your passengers can play free games on it. You will definitely make way more tips. I make way more tips with Play OCTOPUS. It's a good time. Yeah, so we can check that. You can check that out. Use our code RideshareHub, link in the description. Okay, now let's get into the video. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna get into the article right now. This is actually a Fox News article. So here, I'm gonna read it really quickly for you guys and then share my thoughts on it, and then also, you know, why this happened. Arizona CEO fired after viral video shows him allegedly using racial slur against Uber driver. And yes, we are going to watch the video, so stay tuned for that at the end. Wow, these ads, bro. Do not demonetize me. GT. That's a horrible logo. I even know. What's that? I almost want to click on it just so I can see what that... Should I click it? Gitty. Oh, okay, I can kind of see it now. Anyways, let's see if I can load that video really quickly. But anyways, Uber reports more than 3,000 claims of... Okay, well, there's a lot of ads on this site. I just want to see if they can show the video. I don't think it does, but here we go. The white I don't know why they have to clarify that he's white, but whatever. The white CEO of an Arizona fertilizer company said he was fired last week. Oh, because it's a racial slur. Okay, sure. The white CEO of an Arizona fertilizer company said he was fired last week after a video allegedly depicting him using a racial slur against a black Uber driver went viral, according to reports. Hans Brugland. Hans? Oh, he's German, yeah! The former CEO and founder of Tempe-based Agroplasma. That's crazy. Let's check out this company. Let's see if they are big or not. Agroplasma. That's the marketing director. Let's check out this. So what kind of company is it? This is important because, you know, what kind of person was he? Is this a big deal for him to get fired? And how are you as a CEO fired? probably by the board because it looks bad. Ferticelli products. Sounds like a little bit of Italian. Ferticelli. Explorer. What? Explorer. Oh, sorry. Ferticelli products. The Ferticell product line. Blah blah blah. Unique plant nutrients. So basically, it looks like you just pour it on your dirt and you get fresh strawberries. I don't really know. I'm not gonna get into it. It's an agriculture company. Check out the Agra vlog. They have a podcast. I think this is why. Let's check out their Instagram. I think this is why they got fired, because they don't want bad press. Only 465 followers. Wow. Even you guys want to see our Instagram really quick? Guess how many followers we have? 3,000. Agroplasma 465. 3,000. Go follow us on Instagram. And if you want to, we post tons of photos. I know you guys love these, crop top pics. I know the girls really like the crop top for inspo. And then also, you can follow me, my personal Instagram, which is my name right here. If it'll oh wait, no, because I'm already on my own, logged into my own. Just at Dylan Hemrick. They can, this is not Rideshare. Although I do wear my Rideshare shirts all the time. So, yeah, you can see some shirtless photos of me in videos. Doing some pull-ups at the beach. Okay, anyways, back to the video. Sorry, I get rambling a lot. But anyways, here we go. He was captured on video January 31st, allegedly using a racial slur. Let's see if we can try to find that video really quick. Randy Clark. Let's see if we can just go on YouTube. Maybe YouTube would delete it because of the racist remarks. But Valley CEO calls student Uber driver. Wow, he was a student too. Oh, I don't even want to play that, guys. I don't want to get demonetized, but you guys can read this. This is the interview. It looks like from the
Uber driver who's an ASU student.
He went to ASU. That's sad. Guys, I can relate to this because I've driven for Uber as a student. As you guys know, I'm no longer in school anymore. Well, I do believe in school, but I'm not going to go to grad school or anything. So I've driven for Uber and Lyft as a student.
No, I don't like music up here. I'll cancel my budget. Randy Clark says most of his Uber rides are not like what you just heard. I got 2 iPads for games and music. His car. No, I don't like when people sit in the front, period. I'll cancel and refund you. Randy Clark says
here we go.
His Uber rides are not like what you just heard.
I got 2 iPads for games and music.
His car.
Wait, does he have Play Octopus?
Not like what you just heard.
Is that Play Octopus? No, those are just
2 iPads for games and music.
Yeah, he puts iPads in his car.
Pure joy for passport.
Oh, he does have Play Octopus. Guys, what the heck? Download Play Octopus. Get yours today. This guy has it. That's sick, dude. Yeah, he's got 2 of them. Or 3. Oh, no, he's got 3.
He has a nearly perfect rating on Uber.
You got the drinks, you got the snacks.
The ASU senior has been driving
4.5 years with over 14,000 rides under my belt.
1 ride.
So this guy is a veteran driver. Like I said before in previous videos, you can be the best driver in the world and still, have horrible things happen. Okay, here it is, guys. I'm gonna put it on mute because they do have subtitles, so I don't want to get the audio to get demonetized. So he goes, do you mind sitting in the back? Because he doesn't like people sitting in the front. I understand, especially if they're by themselves. It can be awkward. No, I don't want to sit there. I don't like when people sit in the front. I'm here, I'm sitting in the back seat. Sir, please leave my vehicle. Is that because I'm white? No, sir. Wow. Okay, let's hear his reaction.
To that word. I was in shock and I shamelessly felt like laughing because I did not know this was actually real.
Randy quickly filed a complaint with Uber, but had a gut feeling.
Something told me inside that this man is probably a business owner.
He did some digging and determined it was Hans Berglund,
wow,
founder and CEO of Agroplasma, an organic fertilizer company based in Tempe.
This man probably is employing people of color.
Randy says he hopes Uber bans Hans from the app. And while he's moving on to new rides,
I would love to get an apology. A Valley CEO.
He deserves an apology. He does. I don't know if that guy was drunk or what, but You know what they say? Drunk words are sober thoughts. That guy's probably not, you know, he's probably raising, I don't know. Crazy, guys. So anyways, oh yeah, and then the way he said it is that, he says the front seat is reserved for parties of 3 or more. So like, when you have a group of people, he lets people sit in the front. But if not, then, you know, just sit in the back. I get it. As a driver myself, I don't mind if the person sits in the front if they're by themselves. I won't tell them not to. I know some people don't like that. But yeah, anyways guys, at the end of the day, this guy did the right thing. He had a dash cam. He was recording that on footage. So yeah, get your dash cams. I'll leave a link in the description. It'll be under the Amazon products. You can find a couple dash cams on there. I'm pretty sure some are on discount right now. But anyways, yeah, crazy stuff, guys. Stay safe out there. Does this stuff happen a lot? No. Does it happen? Yes. It definitely does happen. This is a very rare case, but you know, it happens. So stay safe out there, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.